So, the other day I made a video on my unboxing of my Yuki-Aim Polar 65 keyboard. And at the end of that video, I said that I'd make a video showcasing the sound and audio differences between my Wooting 60HE and the Yuki-Aim. Both keyboards are pretty much stock, the Yuki-Aim because I just got it in, so I haven't modified it at all, and my Wooting with a different set of keycaps that I have. So, doesn't really modify the sound or anything like that, and that's about it. So, thank you guys for tuning in for this video, and if you haven't seen the unboxing, go check it out.